Ogene. Upon one love.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Lion Mark TV. Mark here with another exciting, delighting and much interesting video here on the channel. So this one, it's about Flavour, the Ijele one of Africa. Odogu was live in New York City and he did this with Sub in New York City. It was a wonderful and amazing program out there all throughout the night, and I'll be bringing you the entire highlight of the show, the concert, the performance. I dropped the rehearsal a few hours ago here on the channel, so you can check back and watch that. The rehearsal was something else. Like, all Flavour songs that you know are remake, they were remade by this wonderful, amazing US band together with Flavour and Femi Double, and it was a wonderful performance out there. Anyway, without wasting much of your time, take you guys to the video. If you're new here in the channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notification, share a comment in the comment section. Your comments and your thoughts are highly welcome.
New York on fire. Oburo mecha, Nataluchi, Ogene, upon one love. Original Mr. Flavour on the dance on the ground,
Why are all these men up here? Why are all these men up here
You are the father to the fatherless, the miracle walking God. You make the blind man to see, you make the crippled man to walk.
Ijelu wanile paneti ivumunwa odogwike. You could see how beautiful the performance went out there. It was all beautiful. You know, everything this guy touched his hand into, it turns into gold. That is the blessing God has given into his life, and it has never run dry. It has continued to grow from glory to glory, and that is what everybody pray for in their individual life. But yes, you must really give your best and always try as much as possible to improve at every given point. Continue to learn. Thank you for watching the video. In the comment section, tell me your thoughts. Tell me if you enjoyed the concert. Tell me if you find out something very beautiful out of the whole performance throughout the night. See you guys on my next video.